So let's go back to what I said an object is. What is an object? Can anybody tell me what an object is? It's two things. Anyone? Hello? Right. We have data and behavior. So far we've seen an example of attaching data to an object with classes, such as name and price. We haven't seen an example of attaching behavior to an object. And this particular instance is a very, very good example of attaching or of a good candidate of behavior to add to an object. So let's go ahead and do that. I want this print product method to exist on the product, not on the class program. And I hope everybody understands my reasoning for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this code, I'm going to copy it again, and I'm going to jump up here to the top on my product definition, and I'm going to add in a new member. The new member is going to be public void display, and I'm going to paste this code, and instead of doing product.name, I'm going to do this.name, and I'm going to leave it at that. Few things you might want to quickly note, although I'm not going to go talk about them too much at this very, very moment, is that there is no static modifier. That is actually significant. So if you notice that, then that's good, because that is something that's important. This method cannot be static because of the way I'm about to use it.